Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are on the hunt for a great graphing calculator, I want to introduce you to this one. This is the TI Inspire CX2. It has so many cool features that I want to tell you about. So one thing I love about this is the screen is actually in color. It really has a computer-like feel to it. It also does a lot of different things. So of course you can do basic calculations, you can do graphing, you also have a full keyboard down here. And you even have a touchpad mouse on this graphing calculator, which is really cool. It comes with rechargeable batteries and your cable to recharge with, so you'll be all set to go to keep your device charged up. Overall, I just think this is such a cool device, and I think that if you are a student or a professional and you need this kind of device, this is a great option for you. And that's my point of view.